Welcome to Dream Cars, your ultimate destination for exploring the finest machines the automotive world has to offer. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a performance seeker, or simply someone who appreciates beautiful engineering, this channel is dedicated to bringing you in-depth reviews, thrilling test drives, and the latest insights on the world's most iconic vehicles. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most legendary names in the sports car world, the Porsche 911 Rupees. The Porsche 911 RS represents the purest expression of performance and precision from the brand's heritage. It's not just a car, it's a statement of engineering excellence, designed with a singular focus on driving dynamics. Born from Porsche's motorsport DNA, the RS badge stands for Rennsport, which translates to racing sport, and that spirit is evident in every detail of the 911 Rupees. Under the rear deck lid lies a naturally aspirated flat-six engine that delivers a symphony of mechanical power. The engine is tuned for high revving performance, offering not just brute force but also a refined, responsive character that rewards skilled driving. The throttle response is razor sharp, and the power delivery is smooth and linear, making it a joy to push through twisty roads or unleash on a racetrack. The 911 RS is built to be lightweight and agile. Extensive use of carbon fiber, lightweight glass, and stripped-down interior options help keep the weight down. This translates to a car that feels incredibly nimble and balanced through corners, with steering that communicates every detail of the road surface. The chassis tuning is surgical, giving the driver full confidence even at the limit. Aerodynamics play a crucial role in the RS's design. From the prominent rear wing to the aggressive front splitter and air vents, every element is engineered to improve downforce and cooling. The result is a car that sticks to the pavement at high speeds and maintains consistent performance even under extreme driving conditions. Inside, the cabin is focused and minimalistic. The bucket seats offer superb support during spirited driving, and the Alcantara-trimmed surfaces provide a tactile, motorsport-inspired feel. While some creature comforts are pared down in favor of performance, everything necessary for an engaging drive is right where it should be. Porsche also includes a few subtle digital touches, like the high-resolution instrument cluster and infotainment system, without detracting from the analog feel that enthusiasts love. Braking is handled by massive carbon ceramic brakes that offer fade-free stopping power and incredible pedal feel. Coupled with advanced stability systems and adjustable driving modes, the 911 Rupees can transform from a track weapon to a surprisingly composed road car. It's the kind of machine that delivers visceral thrills while still showcasing Porsche's commitment to everyday usability. Performance figures for the 911 RS are nothing short of impressive. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour comes in just a few heartbeats, and the top speed pushes beyond the limits of most public roads. But what makes this car truly special isn't just the numbers, it's the way it delivers them. Every input, every response, every sound is tuned to make the driver feel connected to the car in a way that few others can replicate. Whether you're looking at it from an engineering standpoint or simply admiring its aesthetic, the Porsche 911 RS is a masterpiece. It pays homage to the heritage of Porsche's racing legacy while pushing the envelope of what a modern sports car can do. The blend of tradition and innovation makes it a standout not just in the 911 lineup, but in the entire segment of performance vehicles. Thanks for watching this review of the Porsche 911 Rupees. If you're passionate about high-performance cars and want more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Join the Dream Cars community as we continue to explore the most exciting machines on four wheels.